websites, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom scripts or pixels or remarketing tags on individual pages of a website. Here I'm logged into my website, jonastroyer.com, and I just created a test page, and this I notice is very difficult to do unless you're using the right theme or editor. Okay, so I'm using a Thrive theme. Okay, I believe I'm using Pressive, their Thrive Pressive, on this website, but any of the Thrive themes will work. If you scroll to the bottom, and you'll have a custom code option here. Thrive theme options, custom code. Boom, you just paste your code right here into header scripts or wherever it's supposed to go, normally header. If you are using the theme header, okay? Now, if you're using Thrive Architect like I am to edit a page, and you make this page a template landing page, okay? So you come over here, you change the template, and let's just load this one. Gotta move this out of the way. Oh, phone call. I'll get right back to you, John. So now, as soon as this is loaded, and you obviously, once I save my changes, this page will no longer be loading the theme header, the header coming from the theme. Okay, so that will, hang on just a sec, let me turn this off. There we go. All right, slow Wi-Fi when I'm on recording, right? So now we're no longer loading the theme header, we're loading the landing page template, which here's a blank template, right? So that will no longer work. So you could no longer do that. But you come over here to settings, landing, I think it's in landing page, no, not there. Advanced settings, custom scripts. Boom, right there you are. So if you load a template from the Thrive landing page library, you have to come here and paste your scripts right here. Again, this was under settings, advanced settings, custom scripts. Now you paste your code here, and boom, you're good to go. There's also a place if you have a global tag or a global code that you want on every page of your website. If you come down here to Thrive Dashboard, okay, double Thrive Dashboard here. There's a place where you can insert it under here. Analytics and scripts, manage scripts, and this will allow you to put it on all the landing pages that you just hit add new and paste your code. It'll if you just paste your code and click on the side, it'll automatically fill in here what it is: Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, whatever it is, and then you can choose your placement. Generally, it usually automatically fills that out, and you just hit continue, and then you can turn this on. It'll insert it onto the header of every landing page. Once you loaded a template, that's called a landing page according to Thrive themes here. So this would put it onto the landing page, but it would not install it into the header of the theme, okay? So if you want to put it in the header of the theme, there's another place for that. So Thrive Dashboard, theme options. Hopefully this is not too confusing. So basically, theme options, analytics and scripts, and you'll have site-wide theme header settings right here, okay? Or script settings. So this will put it in site-wide for the theme, and if you go to the Thrive Dashboard, scroll down to the analytics and scripts where we just were, that will go through site-wide across every landing page using the template library. And then if you want to do individual pages, like a remarketing tag or a Facebook conversion tag, then you go to the individual page. If it's a theme loaded page, header page, you can go to the page, hit edit, go to custom code. If it's a landing page, then you would have to come over here and do it this way for the individual. So hopefully that will make sense, and you now understand how to install Facebook pixels, Google Analytics codes, and whatever else kind of codes you have to install on your website on individual pages. This is how you do it. If you are using a Thrive theme and or Thrive Architect, which I highly recommend, we use them all the time. Use it on almost every, actually I use it on every website that I build. I do take care of some websites that don't have it installed yet, but most of the websites that we take care of have Thrive products installed on almost all of them, some of the Thrive products. So anyway, I love Thrive Themes, love their products. Thank you, Thrive Themes. Thank you, Shane Mallah and team. And we'll see you guys in the next video.